So if we now want to make a payment to these two suppliers, Office Essentials and CloudSurf Hosting, we'll then go to Banking and look at our transactions that we imported here. And we'll see Office Essentials is sitting here. We made a payment to them. So we do a new payment rule. And we say, if the description is Office Essentials, it must go to Accounts Payable because it's the supplier and Office Essentials. And then we also created a tech supply invoice. There's the 55. Tech supply, okay. So then we'll just go, and again, we don't need to use that full description. We can just shorten it a bit and say if the description is tech supply, then we must take it to Accounts Payable and choose tech supply and create. So the system will allocate it like that. And the same principle will now apply here. So month-end charges will be bank costs or bank charges. So we can say this will always go to bank charges with VAT. Transfer to savings. Let's go see. Do we have an inter-account transfers account we need? So if it's transfer to savings, it will always go from the FNB account to the standard bank account. The description should be fairly constant. We can simplify it. Security services is security expenses, and we know it will have VAT on it, so we can do the VAT allocation. Cleaning services, we say cleaning. Okay, so we might not have an account for that now. We can go create one. Now let's see if we have office expenses. So we'll leave this one in suspense until we've created an account. Security services, cleaning, insurance, we should have an account for. Let's just quickly check if it's there. Insurance with VAT on it and create it. Water and rates, bank charges. I think let's take one or two more examples. Bank charges will also have VAT on it. And let's just quickly look here. Petrol card, Caltex. Let's assume this is all petrol being put in. So we can take this description then to motor vehicle expenses. And in this case, no VAT because we can't claim VAT on petrol. So one can then set up rules for all the payments. The system will then, on the next bank import, do the allocations automatically, as we see it here now. And then the user can just select all the little transactions and batch update them. So we still need to do these allocations. But let's quickly look at the receipts we have here. So that was payments to suppliers and direct expenses. We had interest received, and then to customers. So let's say new receipt rule. When it's digital solutions, it must go to accounts receivable and to digital solutions. And for this one, we must again go Innovate Core. Accounts receivable and Innovate Core. Then we'll select them all again and say Batch Update. So there's still one transaction remaining.